ignition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition, and we'll all stay free.
Hi friends, this is FirearmPop here with another gun show we're going to be going to. But before I even get into that, it is Thanksgiving Day 2016, and I just want to extend a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving to all my friends and family that are viewing this video. By the time you see it, it'll probably be you'll have ingested your Thanksgiving dinner, and I hope you enjoyed it and are truly thankful for all the blessings that the good Lord has given us this past year, and looking forward to an exciting holiday season, Christmas, and I'll be the first to wish you a Merry Christmas season coming up, and a blessed 2017. Lots of great things to look forward to this year. So, but with that, we're going to do another great gun show this weekend, and this one's in Vermont. It's a little bit out of what we normally do. It's a new gun show I've never done before, and I'm hoping to be blessed with meeting a whole bunch of new people and some of my friends from New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts. Come on up. It's going to be at the, and I do need a cheat sheet for this one, it's the Green Mountain Gun Show, and that's going to be held in White River Junction, Vermont. It's 1564 Route 14, White River Junction, Vermont. And the hours are Saturday 9 to 5 and Sunday 9 to 2 p.m. So be careful if you're coming out Sunday, come out early, because the show will be over early. But we're looking forward to having a real great time up in Vermont. I haven't done many shows in the Vermont area, so we're going to have, of course, we feature Remora holsters and easy to see targets. We're also going to have some copper and silver coins, and Allie's favorite biscuits, all available on my tables at this show. So come on down, stop by, say hello, tell me that you saw the video. I really enjoy seeing my friends at these shows, shaking hands and saying hello. So this weekend, it's November 26th and 27th, 2016, at the Connecticut Valley Auto Auction Building. The Connecticut Valley Auto Auction Building, or the CT Valley, so it may not be Connecticut, at 1567 Route 14, White River Junction, Vermont, Saturday 9 to 5 and Sunday 9 to 2. Come on down, and as usual, we're going to support our law enforcement, support our military. Be safe out there, and God bless you all. This is FirearmPop. Bye now.